with everything that is happening and everything that seems like it's just going crazy, one of the things that's repeated in the Bible over and over again is do not be afraid. You see, God knows that this world is full of sin. It is full of evil. It is full of trials and tribulations. It is full of nothing but darkness. However, when we put our faith in Him, even through life, even through death, whether things are going really good or things are going really bad, as it seems that they're going every day, God is still in control. And despite everything that's happening, despite all the people trying to scare you with the news and everyone trying to scare you with gas prices, the main reminder we all need to hear is do not be afraid and trust in the Lord, because He will deliver us.